Good morning, everybody. Today I'm back home finally and have kind of like recentered my energy. I'm at one of my local spots, Emmitsburg Antique Mall. Of course, I'm getting ready to head right back on the road. Hopefully I'll go to West Virginia again on the way to the meet and greet. Maybe I'll see some of you there. In the meantime, let's go in and see what they got. My hair is crazy. I love that ashtray. It weighs like 12 pounds, so I'm not trying to ship it. The boomerang shape and that blue is awesome. I'm normally not a blue person, but that's a good shade. Speaking of blue, I can't believe this pilgrim glass deer is still here. It's so cool. I love these pilgrim glass animals. They have the neatest shape. 22, yeah, it's a little close. Really cool though. Here's another nook I usually find a thing or two. I actually had a version of this not long ago. Went for like 47, so 39 is kind of right on the money after fees. Wild fat bird. Oh, another cat paperweight. I've had a couple of those recently, especially with my cat sale I had. I think I got all the great dogs the last time I was here. I got some awesome dogs, and then there's that awesome carnival glass Fenton vase. Ooh, you know, clear doesn't do well for me, but this one is, I kind of feel like this one's a harder one to find. Could be making that up, but I feel like somebody told me that this style was not the easiest one to find. $18. I might phone a friend on that one. What is that little tray? It's kind of interesting. I'm not sure if it's the reflection or if it's as interesting as what I think it is. Can't really make out. Also don't see a price. It looks kind of expensive. Not gonna lie, it looks a little pricey. I also don't feel like dealing with keys. Oh, there's that fish I left the last time. I like spooked out at the last minute and was like, I don't know if this is a great deal. It's still really cool, that metal enamel. I love that stuff. Very MCM. This is kind of a cool Formica table. It's really close to the color I have. I like that it's like a corner piece. Really neat. Oh my gosh. How much is it gonna be? $85. Yeah, they're not wrong either. Napco, Alice in Wonderland. This is a really good series. For those of you who wish I was still picking up more kitsch than I do, well, you're kind of getting an idea why. People are super onto it, and it's skyrocketed in prices at all the antique malls I've and pretty much go to like ever. Oh wow, look at all these bluebirds. Wait, stop. $9. I like the little ones too. And this one's got its wings out. I don't usually see that style. Well, I'm definitely gonna get this one. This one's Leo Ward, $11 with the wings out. I don't think I've seen that. And then what about the little one? $6. I love the tinies. I'll get that too. I feel like I should just get all of them. What's this one? That is something different. Milk glass has been making a big comeback. This little Fenton ruffled edge bowl is only $4, so I'll be taking that too. Oh man, I love the sip and strip glasses. These are in like new condition. When you fill them up, they're like temperature activated, and obviously they do what you think they do. $100 for the set. That's for a collector, but I mean, a collector, I feel like this is a steal at that price, considering the condition, and they've got the original box. Really nice lucite grapes. Those are super pretty. $49 though. And then here's the candles. I know everybody's always like, why don't you ever pick up the candles? Well, the candles are $69, even with 10%. I can't do anything with that for a resale. So if you want candles, you know where to find them. What's this? That's freaking cool. McCoy, it almost looks like Potosi. It's got a little wear at the edges, but I've never seen one quite like that. I kind of want to pick it up. It's pretty spectacular. It's mostly in the glaze, really. I think I'm going to get that. That's really fun. And then more milk glass over here. This is a large one, 20 bucks. Not bad, but more than I'd like to have invested. Plus, it weighs a lot. I kind of like the tiny ones. I like small stuff in general. What do we have back here? This is intriguing to me. Santa Claus runner. Yeah, it's one of those, oh, it got me. That's so funny. There's a reproduction that looks eerily close to the original, but obviously with that Jingle Bell, it was pretty clear it wasn't right. But this always gets me, especially in like the little stocking style. I was checking out the miniature case. Kind of looks like people grabbed a lot of the tinies. There's a couple in there still. What I really like are these kind of like circus tent style lucite earrings, but I don't really do earrings. And honestly, every time I've picked up a piece, like a pair that I think are showstoppers, they don't do that well. Here's another vendor I really look forward to coming to. Look at all the Bakelite buckles. Oh, the chicks, so cute. Spaghetti trim. How much are these? 15, that's not bad. A little close for me. Still can make a couple bucks, but whoa, look at this. This is so fun. That's so cool. I never see these as a set. That's really neat. Oh my gosh, just stop it. Look at the poodle lamp. Oh, it's complete with their original shade too. That is spectacular. And of course, I noticed this really pretty pink milk glass vase. It's at $75 though. And then this is a really good set too. I've had a couple of these before, the Cosmos. They usually do really well. Gosh, their displays are always so awesome. Little funny dog nook here. So cute. I've had these before. I like the little yellow one. And then over here, frosted purple. That's contemporary. It's kind of a nice shade of blue. $8. Well, that's not bad. I don't know how well this will do, but for $8, that color's pretty great. I think I'll just take it. You know, the bottom's kind of bothering me. I think I'm actually gonna leave it, even though it's a nice color. People are probably like, what? It's $8. But, I can be picky. Especially because I'm going back on the road next week. I just came back from like an epic haul in West Virginia where like the glass is so plentiful. Speaking of glass, what's that over there? This is kind of wild. It's really big. Not for me. Oh my gosh, stop. Look at this cute little Dayglow paint Dutch girl. Oh, she's got a little bit of wear. They usually do. Some cracking. If it was a little bit less, I'd pick it up, but with the wear and the fact that it's the Dutch girl, the last couple of things that I've gotten that are Dutch girls kind of tanked, so I'm nervous to go that close. It's a really cute piece though. And that vendor I like has another booth. Oh my gosh, so much cute stuff. And again, with the displays, so good. Some really great chalkware pieces. Of course, the poodle thermometer. That's an awesome set of green fish. The mermaids are hobbyists. That's why they're priced like that. The fish are pretty epic, and those have been going crazy in price. $60 for the pair. If they were from my bathroom, I don't know why I said bathroom. I just feel like they're green bathroom fish to me, but I would grab them. But too close after fees for resale. Wow, I'm distracted by all this. What an awesome parrot. So great. Look look at the paper mache cat. That's one of like the most disappointing things that's happened to me. I bought this really cool vintage paper mache cat, kind of similar to that one, and it brought nothing near what I thought it would, or honestly what it should. So I'm gonna leave that one be. What is this? Oh, it's like a contemporary ornament. Really fun face though. And then these are great. 2 cats on the mirror. How fun are those? This is a super pretty color too. Oh, that's gorgeous. $30, that's pretty fair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at these. Gosh, their glass is so clean. I couldn't tell if there was a shelf there. These are neat. Pair of Bohemian hand-painted check perfume bottles, $65 for the pair. I can see they both have some chips. Man, those are freaking rad. Okay, so I know these are contemporary, so they're probably firm. But look at the freaking... Oh man, that's so cool. I think it's super locked. Oh, the flowers. The fish and the stars. Oh, those are 2 different ones. Yeah, I've seen some of their ones. I feel like these are like new made. I wonder if they make them. Kind of curious. Wish you could see the prices on some of them. They're probably marked firm. Oh, maybe I should get in there. Stop speculating. Lisa Larson? Is that? God, you can't see the prices on anything. I'm gonna have to get a key. Well, I feel silly for the times I've passed these by. I finally got the energy to open the case and look at these. These are vintage West Germany, 33 and 40% off. They're so neat. I'm gonna grab those. I'm gonna look at the fish and the moon too, please. And I did grab the owl. I keep calling everything an owl. Yeah, super fun. So I did grab the lion. It was $99, but it was 40% off. So that was a bargain. And then I always thought that these were contemporary, and that's so funny. I had no idea. I've never seen them before. They ended up being, like I said, vintage West Germany. They came to $20 a pop. I'm probably gonna hold on to the flowers, maybe the stars and moon. I don't know. But for $20 a pop, I took those. I wasn't sure about the fish. I really liked the yellow one, but I think I'm gonna just keep it where I'm at right now. Gosh, look at that. That's amazing. It looks like that Aziz Azar vase we were looking at sold. What's going on in this little $10 each, like the green? Probably Chinese imports. I don't see one that I'm super married to. Oh, it's a vomit cat. $18, 20% off. That's definitely a little close, but it's a cat, so I can't leave it here. Oh, I feel like risking it. I don't think I'd lose money, but it's also like a larger size. It's just freaking cool. Yeah, I've never had the cat in this size. $18, 20%, why not? I think it's not that bad. I'll take it. It's kind of epic. This is pretty. Stag bowl ashtray. Interesting. Kind of looks Mexican. Not sure about that. Look at the fun clock. It looks great with their wallpaper. This booth always has such interesting stuff too, as you can clearly tell from the epic bar set. Strange painting. Like the, oh my gosh, stop, wait. Potato and cucumber planter. I think this is actually a serving container, and it's just missing its lid. The cucumber is awesome though. It's like a pickle planter. It's got a hairline. I don't know if I can get away with that for both, considering the potatoes not complete. But look at the chalkware Snow White. How much is it? It is $46. We can leave that. I was at the checkout line and Sandy, my friend, texted me back and she was like, dude, that's fenton and then clear. You're right, it is hard to find. So I'm super into it. I already went back to look at it once, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna grab the chunkier one too. Why not? Success. I spent $145 in there, got some really great stuff, and now I'm off. I will see you guys tomorrow.